do not worry, our topic for today is not quarantine, but that is actually how I got inspiration for today's topic. What I did was I removed the last letter from the word, then I separated up the letters, and I added in some letters of my own. And that is how we came up to Quentin Tarantino, which is our topic for today. Over the years, Quentin Tarantino has given us some amazing movies, from Pulp Fiction, Kill Bill, to Django Unchained. There have been several fan theories of all of his movies being connected in a quote unquote Quentin Tarantino movie universe. Let us analyze all of his movies using a network diagram and see whether there is any truth to any of those claims. For this analysis, we will be using measures of degrees and centralities. And we will be considering 13 movies where every movie acts as a node and every Easter egg acts as an edge. For those of you who do not know what Easter eggs are, allow me to explain. In the movie Pulp Fiction, Vincent Vega was one of the main characters. And in the movie Reservoir Dogs, Vic Vega was one of the main characters. Now, Quentin Tarantino intended for both of these characters to be brothers, but never mentioned it explicitly in any of those movies. This intended connection, which is subtle, is called an Easter egg. Let us first consider the degrees of all of these movies. Pulp Fiction is the movie with the highest degree of 6, and the other two that follow closely behind are From Dusk Till Dawn and Reservoir Dogs with degrees of 5 and 4 respectively. If we consider betweenness centrality, Pulp Fiction once again comes up on top with a betweenness centrality score of 0.36, with From Dusk Till Dawn and Reservoir Dogs having a score of 0.1 and 0.11 respectively. But if we consider eigenvector centrality, the story is a bit different. Here the movie Kill Bill comes out on top with a score which is almost tending to 1, which is believable considering the fact that it is linked to two of the most connected movies, which are Pulp Fiction and From Dusk Till Dawn. So if we base our conclusion solely based on the eigenvector centrality score, Kill Bill is the most well-connected movie in the Quentin Tarantino movie universe. But all of us would agree that it would be a bit fair to consider the degree and betweenness centrality scores, in which case Pulp Fiction would be the best connected movie. But one thing which all of us can agree on, which is definite, is that I love Quentin Tarantino movies and I really have a lot of free time on my hands. Thank you for joining me today, and these are my sources.